Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and I'll give you an overview of this Titan Juxt Pro smartwatch. It comes in this white box and there's a box beneath the box, and here it says the pricing. The pricing is 22,995. That's almost 23,000, and it's available in Titan stores as well as on Flipkart. I'll have the link for Flipkart in the show notes. So this is what we get. So it's a wooden box. So it's a nice quality wooden box that we are getting, and again the price it gives here, nothing else, just a box. As you can see, wooden box, no specs or anything. I'll talk about the specs later on. And if you open this up, you have the watch itself, and this is the other end. You have some paperwork, so looks like warranty card and get starting guide. So the presentation is actually really nice, nicely done, like a premium watch. So this is the watch itself, and guys, it's a big watch, suitable for men, I would say, because it's having a 48 mm dial. So let's take this out, and the leather, it's a leather strap that they have, and it comes in two variants as far as I recall. It's the same thing, but the color is different. This is the stainless steel variant, and other one is the black one. So we'll keep these things to the side, and this is the charging cradle that we have. So we have to put in the watch in this, and it has the connectors over here, and this is nothing but a USB to micro USB cable. So yeah, it is having a micro USB port here and a LED notification light. So that's what we get. Let me keep these things to the side, and so package is really nice. So that's what we get in the box. So let me keep this box to the side. So this is the watch itself, and it's a little bit on the heavier side compared to other smartwatches, for example the Samsung Gear S2, Motorola. So we have a protective cover. Yeah, let me just take that out. So it's supposed to have Gorilla Glass 3, so as you can see, and this is water resistant up to 30 meters. Again, it's you can see it says genuine leather. So the build quality is top notch, and you can actually replace the straps with the normal strap. So if you don't like this strap, you can actually replace that. And we have two physical buttons. This is supposed to be the power on off button, and this is the panic button. This is a special panic button, and the smartwatch is touchscreen enabled. So let's actually and apart from that, I also got this Titan certificate of warranty. So that is what we get, and also a warranty card. So traditional what do you say, what you get with the smartwatch. And this is entire what do you say, watch is made up of stainless steel. But this looks like a plastic layer over here. It does not rotate, so it's like that. That's the design. So let's try to power this on, and by the time it actually boots up, let me give you a configuration overview. This watch is powered by the Intel dual-core processor clocked at 1 GHz. It comes with 512 MB of RAM, 4 GB of internal storage. Out of that, about 2.7 GB we get. And the watch face is 48 mm. It is having a 1.3-inch LCD screen, Gorilla Glass. It is water resistant. Regarding the battery, it has a 450 mAh battery, and it's compatible with both Android as well as iOS. So I'm just setting this up, and as you can see, it says you have to install the Titan app. It says so. I have already downloaded it. This is the OnePlus 3. I just recently downloaded. It's the Titan Juxt Pro. So let's try to actually install that. And it says location services, we have to enable that. So I will do that. And typical smart Bluetooth, it wants to turn that out. So now let's see. And as you can see, it found the watch, so we just hit that and pair it. And as you can see, it gives the code both. So it says OnePlus 3 detected that, and I'll just hit pair. So it should pair. It's a typical Bluetooth that works over Bluetooth. LE also is supported, so low energy. And it says we have to actually sign in, and then only it'll allow. So I'll do that, and then we'll continue. And we have to enable the notification access also to this. This you have to do with almost any smartwatch. Android Wear if it's there. By the way, it's not running on Android Wear or anything. It's running its own OS. That's the reason I was excited to check this out, because this is supposed to be pretty different. And so this is the layout that we get. So it has the fitness aspects. It also has that safety. As I told you, this button is dedicated for that safety stuff. And you can set up your profile, other settings, obviously what kinds of notifications you want and stuff. And these are the other settings. So let's keep this thing to the side and let's look at the watch itself. That's the interesting thing. So this is the watch itself, and as you can see, it is sort of giving us a tutorial now. It says swipe down and notifications are on, so you can adjust the brightness, flight mode, sleep, and so this is what it is. Let's swipe away. So you can swipe up and down, and again these are the apps. Looks like that: fitness, safety, and we can swipe down to dismiss. So it's sort of giving us a tutorial, I would say. Timer, stopwatch, notifications, converters, tutorials, or whatever. So let's just go back. Also we can apparently control the camera of our smartphone using this one: phone finder, weather, calendar, music, fitness. So basic stuff that you would expect. So you do this to go back, and if you swipe on the left, you see your notifications. Right now I don't have anything, so left and right it's for notifications, and it has, I believe, 20 watch faces. So let's look at it. If you press down, you can swipe between the watch faces. This was looking very Spartan. Okay, funky. So you can tap to select the watch faces. So Titan has again most of the watch faces are Titan branded. As you can see, it says Titan over here. So that's what it is. So let's see what else. So 20, we have about 20 watch faces that are pre-installed on this. I believe we can add up to 25 on this one. So we have some funky ones also. This is sports, looks like sports one. Let's go back. So these are the watch faces that you are going to get. So 20 of them. Let's just go back to the default one that was there. This one was that, I guess. So this is what we have, and it has a little bit of heft, I would say. So it will be interesting to see how it will fare, because another thing is that the dial is a little bit, it is a 48 mm. For example, the Moto 360 has a 42 mm one and a 46 mm. So definitely on the higher side. And we also have a always on mode, but again if you offer that, definitely the battery life won't be that great. Like other smartwatches, the display goes back, and if you just flick your wrist, when you're wearing it, comes back. They say that the battery is a 450 milliamp hour battery, but again I have to test that. One thing that I've noticed is that this watch does not have any heart rate sensor. So guys, that's it for now for this very quick look and unboxing for this Titan Juxt Pro. If you have any other specific questions around this smartwatch, do post those questions and I'll try to include them in my future videos. Thanks for watching this video, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video.